Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan. Alright, so in this video,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I will not going to critique, no, I will not going to assess the questionnaire. So, nakita ko lamang po itong research na ito sa internet when I am searching for a sample questionnaire na nilalagay sa isang research thesis or dissertation. Alright, so the purpose of this video is to walk you through how to analyze, no, how to tabulate the questionnaire or the survey results. Alright, so just like this one. Okay, so usually, yung mga first part ng questionnaire ay tungkol ito sa profile ng mga respondents or participants na magiging bahagi o kabahagi o parte ng isang research thesis or dissertation. So, kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, yung part 1 ng questionnaire ay tungkol sa profile ng respondents which are the public elementary school teacher. Now, by the way, based on the title, Questionnaire on the Practices of Public Elementary School Teacher on the 21st Century Skills. No? So, ibig pong sabihin nito, gusto nilang i-measure yung practices ng public school teachers at gagamitin nila ito bilang basis sa pag-i-interview. Alright? So, ito po yung profile, name, gender, educational qualifications, doctor's degree, master's degree, bachelor's degree, number of years in teaching, 36 years and above, 31 to 35, and so on and so forth. Grade level currently teaching, so kinder, grade 1, kinder 2, grade 3, grade 3, 4 to 6. Alright, so yung position niya. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kung paano ninyo ito i-analyze. Alright, so teachers' practices and its frequency on the 21st century skills. Below are the statements concerning the practices of public elementary school teachers on the 21st century skills. Kindly check the opposite box of each statement that correspond to your response on how you rate the frequency of your practice of the items as reflected by the following criteria. Alright? So, merong 5 rating na kung saan ay papipiliin lamang yung respondents kung ano yung sa tingin niya ay magre-reflect doon sa particular na question. Okay? So, kapag yung rate ay pinili ng teacher na 5, ang ibig sabihin nito ay practices the 21st century skill at all the time. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga practices daw sa 21st century ay ginagamit, ini-apply sa lahat ng pagkakataon o sitwasyon. Kapag 4 naman yung pinili ng teacher respondent, ito ay described as often or often. So, practices the 21st century skill most of the time. So, hindi araw-araw, hindi lagi-lagi, but most of the time, and so on so forth. So, yung question, punta tayo dito. So, mayroong domain yung questionnaire. So, this domain is about the learning and the innovation skills of the teachers. So, meron itong 20 na domain or competencies under the learning and innovation skills. So, halimbawa, si Teacher 1, ang sagot niya dito sa question number 1, brainstorm and seek out opportunities for learners to improve their ideas and on the way they react to situations. So, yung respondent 1, ano yung sagot niya? 4 or 5 or 3 and so on so forth. Question number 2, manipulate models and simulations for the learners to experiment and create new ideas. Third, make graphic organizers to illustrate difficult topics. Four, provide learners with the performance standards by which the work will be evaluated. Observe the learners while they are having the self-learning in the classroom. 6. Ensure that a more comprehensive approach to inquiry that includes wonder and reflection must be used in the classroom. 7. Use engaging instructional strategies suitable to instructional purpose and learners' levels and learning styles and so on and so forth. So, uulitin ko, this is all about the learning and innovation skills. Alright? So, ang mangyayari dyan, papipiliin yung teacher, respondent, kung ano sa tingin niya yung magde-describe sa kanya. Okay, yan po yung isang domain. Yung second domain is about the information, media, and technology skills. So, the third domains is about life and career skills. No? And that's the question, no? So, ngayon, ang titingnan natin is paano natin ito i-analyze. So, by the way, this is the link where the questionnaire is uploaded. Okay, sa slide share. So, yun lamang po at punta po tayo sa Microsoft Excel kung paano natin itatabulate yung katulad na research survey. Alright, thank you. And let's proceed to Microsoft Excel. So, ayan, no? Usually, guys, ito yung part na kung saan ay dinidiscuss yung results ng analysis. Ayan. So, ito ay laging matatagpuan sa chapter 4, no? Pero merong ilang university na yung analysis, yung results and discussions ay matatagpuan sa ibang chapters. Pero karamihan sa mga researches, karamihan sa mga thesis and dissertations, no? Sa iba't ibang mga university, no, sa Pilipinas at kahit sa ibang bansa, no, ang chapter 4 talaga ay ito yung part na kung saan ay dinidiscuss yung results at discussions ng tungkol sa research. So basically, meron itong paunang introduction, okay? So itong introduction na to is ginawa ko lang siya, no. Pwede itong dagdagan ng hanggang isang paragraph, maliit lang, konting paragraph lang. So this chapter contains the results of the analysis and to be able to discuss the information generated from the data. So the current study seeks to answer the problems postulated in chapter 1. Thus, okay. So sa chapter 4, ilalatag natin uli yung statement of the problems na na-mention doon sa chapter 1 ng research. So halimbawa, itong question na to is, what is the profile of the teacher respondents in terms of the following? So, ganito natin siya i-present sa thesis natin. Table 1 is the distribution of the respondents in terms of the gender of the teacher respondents. So, halimbawa, merong 88 na participants or respondents doon sa research na yun sa pinakita ko kanina. So, itatabulate lang natin doon how many are male and how many are female. And based on the results of the tabulation, there are 54 females and 34 na males, which corresponds to 39 and 61% accordingly. So, after ng table, usually ini-interpret ito, ina-analyze to. Halimbawa, table 1 presents the distribution of the respondents in terms of the gender of the teacher respondents. And based on the results of the tabulation, there are 34 out of 88 male teacher respondents, which corresponds to 39%. In addition, there are 54% out of 88 total number of respondents, which corresponds to 61%. So, ang ano yung pwede nating ilagay dito na analysis. So, pwede nating ilagay na based on the results of the based on the articles and so on so forth, no? Pwede nating sabihin na karamihan talaga sa mga teachers ay mga babae. Although may mga teachers na mga lalaki, pero most of the teachers are female. So, yun yung pwede nating ilagay na insights dito sa table 1. Okay? That's how we interpret the table 1. Okay? So, ganun din yung mga ibang questions. So, merong question number, ito pa, yung ibang questions. Diba? Kung titignan natin, may question dito na educational qualifications, number of years in teaching, grade level teaching, currently teaching, and so on so forth. So, halimbawa naman, sa educational qualification. So, maghahanap tayo ngayon ng literature kung ano ba ang mas marami. Male ba o female? Yung mas marami yung nakakuha ng yung merong doctorate degree, mas marami ba yung master's degree, and so on so forth. So, again, yung literature na mababasa natin should be in the Philippines kasi yung pinag-aaralan natin ay Philippine settings. No? Kaya, ang titignan natin is yung literature, yung records na makikita natin sa Philippines. Alright? So, ganun yung pag-i-interpret. Ngayon, usually, may question number, ito, yung teacher's practices in the 21st century. So, halimbawa, may mga thesis question na ganito yung pagkakatanong. Okay? Describe the teacher's practices in the 21st century based on the following domains. So, ito yung nakita nyo kanina. Learning and innovation skills. Meron 20 na questions doon. Information, media and technology skills. Life and career skills. So, tingnan natin yung learning and innovation. So, ito yung learning and innovation. So, mayroong 20 questions yan. Yung information, media and technology skills, mayroong 20 questions din, and so on so forth. And life and career skills ay mayroong 20 questions din. So, halimbawa, ganito yung research. Ganito yung questions, no? Ganito yung questionnaire. Paano natin ito itatabulate? So, usually, ang makikita sa research, ganito. Ganito natin ipe-present yung result. Okay? So, tatlo yung domain na dinidiscuss sa question number 2. Learning and innovation skills, information, media and technology, life and career skills. So, yung unang table, 2.1, okay, dapat ay tungkol sa learning and innovation skills. So, dapat 1 to 20 to. Kaya, yung una is about brainstorm, manipulate, provide, focus, yung 20 question. And then, yung weighted mean, 3.89. Paano natin ini-interpret yung 3.89? So, it was interpreted as often. And yung interpretation, paano natin ito i-interpret? Based doon sa questionnaire, pag sinabing often, practices the 21st century skill most of the time. Ngayon, ang question is, paano tayo nag-arrive doon sa figure na 3.89, 4.44, 3.37, 3.87, 4.44. Okay, so ganito natin to i-explain or ipapaliwanag. So, kanina sabi ko, merong halimbawa 88 yung respondents natin. Okay, so paliitan ko lang ha. Alright, ito yung rate. Okay, ito yung rate. 1 to 5. So, para mas madali sa inyo, question number 1 to. Question number 2. Multiple. Ilagay natin dito. Ayan. So, halimbawa, question 1, brainstorm. Number 2, and so on so forth. Okay, so halimbawa, ganyan yung question. Brainstorm, manipulate. Okay. So, remember, mayroong 5 rates. Okay? So, yung 35, ilan dun sa 88 respondents ang nagbigay ng rate na 5 doon sa question number 1. So, there are 35 out of 88. 25 yung nag-rate ng 4, at 12 yung nag-rate ng 3, 15 yung nag-rate ng 2, at isa yung nag-rate ng 1. Okay, ang gagawin natin dyan na susunod ay 5 times 35, makukuha natin yung 175. Okay. And then 4 times 25 is 100. 3 times 12, 36. 2 times 15 is 30. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, i-add natin itong 35, 25, 12, 15 plus 1 is 88. I-add din natin yung 175, 100, 36, 30, and 1, 342. Ngayon, 342 divided by 88 is 3.86. Ayan po yun. Yung 3.86 na yan, o 3.88 na yan, o 3.89 is ito po yung ilalagay natin dun sa weighted mean. Sa taas. Ayan. Kaya po nakuha yung 3.89. Ngayon, yung interpretation ng often, sometimes, and so on so forth, rarely or never, paano natin yan ma-identify o ma-determine? Meron pong constant na guideline sa pag-i-interpret ng range. So, ito po yung range. Kapag 1 is 1 to 1.49, 1.5 to 2.49, 2.5 to 3.49, 3.5 to 4.49, 4.5 to 5, and so on so forth. So, yung 3.89 ay nandito po siya sa number 4. Kaya, ang description nito ay open. Ngayon, dun sa questionnaire na nakita natin kanina, ano ba yung interpretation kapag open yung sagot? Okay? Sa kapag often yung sagot, ito yon. Practices the 21st century skill most of the time. Alright? So, ganun po natin ine-explain yung particular problem sa thesis, sa research, or sa dissertation. Ganito po yung pagko-compute natin, yung pag-analyze natin. Okay? Ngayon po, itong computation na to, hindi na po ito makikita dapat doon sa chapter 4. Nilalagay po yung computation usually sa appendices ng research. No? So, kaya ang makikita nyo po sa chapter 4, ito lang, itong table na to. Yung computation behind this ay matatagpuan sa appendices. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. At susunod po ay sasagutin natin itong question number 3. Okay? So, God bless and have a great day.